Namaskar. I welcome you all to the launch of the first ever gamified Sanskrit learning app. Now, many of people ask me, why do we need to learn Sanskrit? And for all the educated listeners of today's event, I don't have to explain why we need to learn Sanskrit. Sanskrit was known as the language of the gods. The first written word in the world was in Sanskrit, in the Rig Vedas. But more than that, Sanskrit held the keys to most of the religious texts of many of the religions of the world. Hinduism, naturally, everything was in Sanskrit. Buddhism, most of the texts, the chants, was in Sanskrit. Jainism, Sikhism, many of the religions of the world, their religious texts were in Sanskrit. More than just the religious texts, many of the languages of the world, in fact, many of the languages in India, whether it is Bengali, whether it's Gujarati, Marathi, Tamil, many of the languages use Sanskrit as a base for creating the language. So Sanskrit was important in that sense, but just not the text. Sanskrit held the key to the philosophies in these religions, the philosophy of Hinduism, the philosophy of Buddhism, the philosophy of Jainism. It held the key to the philosophies and the key to some of the greatest literary treasures of the world, the Vedas, the Upanishads, the great epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata. All these could be opened and were written originally in Sanskrit. So learning Sanskrit gives us an opening, a door into these great literary treasures. But not only that, they were relevant in today's world also. In the 80s, NASA did a study on all languages of the world to see which language could be used for doing computer language, which was the most computerable language. And they realized that given its clear grammatical structure, its very strict pronunciations, that the Sanskrit was the most computerable language in the world. Not only that, Sanskrit was also a language which had a structure which could merge into any computerable system. And so Sanskrit was a language which was not only of the ancient text, but of modern day times also. However, it was difficult to learn Sanskrit. Unlike Latin, which went out of fashion or which people stopped using, Sanskrit is still a living language, taught in many parts of India and across the world, whether in the Buddhist countries, whether in India, in the West, everywhere. Sanskrit is still a language being taught everywhere, but taught in a manner which was slightly old-fashioned, which was in a manner which took to textbooks and to religious teachings. What we started getting from all over the world was requests from many people in assistance in learning Sanskrit. We got requests for books, we got requests for text material, we got requests for computers, for hardware, for teachers. ICCR used to depute a large number of teachers across the world to different institutes to teach Sanskrit. And so we realized that we need something which is more modern, which is up to date, which works with technology to bring this ancient language to the people. There are a lot of people who want to learn Sanskrit, but they do not want to go through the rigor of learning it in the way it has been taught over the years. So we decided to use modern day tools like machine learning, artificial intelligence, and gaming techniques. Gaming techniques help in bringing life to the language because it makes it interactive. It keeps the attention span of the people. In today's age, young people have a very short attention span, but gaming techniques help to keep that attention span. It also helps in keeping them occupied, in going from level to level, in competing with their peers, with competing with others, in learning against themselves, in seeing that tomorrow I will learn more than what I learned today, in getting points. In the whole gaming technique helps in creating an environment where learning becomes fun. So we decided to do a fun way, an easy way to learn Sanskrit. And so ICCR teamed up with Game App company to work out, to design this new app that we are learning called Little Guru. The Little Guru is a beautiful symbol of what we propose to do in teaching Sanskrit to people across the world. This app would help students, teachers, monks, people who are already learning Sanskrit and people who want to learn Sanskrit to be able to get an app which will help them learn it easier at their own pace, whatever time they want, whichever location they're in, whichever area they stay in, to be able to learn Sanskrit. And at each step it helps you to do better. It not only teaches you vocabulary, it teaches you grammar, it teaches you structure, but it also helps you revise, learn, progress on a daily basis, and to find what your progress is against your peers, to get rewards, to get points when you complete sentences, when you complete sets, when you complete courses, and also to have competitions among peers, among friends, among schools, among colleges, to be able to see how well you can progress in Sanskrit. This app, I'm hopeful, will ensure that Sanskrit becomes a language that everybody learns, which everybody practices, and it becomes a feeder into some of the great universities which are teaching Sanskrit today. Today there is a large amount of requirement of young people to learn Sanskrit so that our ancient texts, our ancient history, our culture, our tradition does not go waste. We need this language to be able to keep our young people interested in our ancient history and culture and heritage. And so this app is something which ICCI has bought for nations of the world, for different religions, to be able to use this app to teach the young people, the youth about Sanskrit, and through that help them appreciate the great historical, literary and cultural traditions of the country. And I'm sure that all of you will enjoy this app. We are putting a feedback loop into the usage of the app. Your feedback, your views, your comments will help us make the app better so that it suits your requirements. Please get back to us with feedback and comments. Tell us how the app is working. The first few lessons in the app are free. After that it is a pay for app, but ICCR has negotiated very favorable rates, very cheap rates for using this app, and I'm sure the thousands of people who are watching this will want to use this app to be able to learn Sanskrit and to be able to open the doors to some of the greatest literary and religious texts of the world. Thank you very much. Enjoy the day. The launch of the app is from today. We will continue this launch for quite some time. We will make sure that all of you understand all the intricacies of the app. If there is anything that you need from us, you can write to us. All the details are available. It will be on our website. There's a Little Guru website also. So please reach out, please give us your feedback, your comments, and use the app to learn Sanskrit. Hopefully next time we meet, because I'm also started using the app to learn Sanskrit, next time we meet or next time we talk to each other, we will talk in Sanskrit. Thank you very much and Namaskar.